Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. And before I give the walkthrough of these darling little mini bookcases, I encourage you to watch all the way to the end of the video because as of October 5th, 2021, there were still kits available to purchase and make this cute little darling project on your own. And so if you're interested in that, make sure you watch the video all the way to the end. And I give you the information on how you can purchase the kit and everything that is included in the kit. And it's a lot. So make sure you watch to the end for that information. And let's go ahead and get started. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and I have another cute little mini bookcase to share with you. This one was made using the absolutely adorable papers from Photoplay called Crafting with My Gnomies. I love everything about this paper collection. It's so very cute and one of my all-time favorites now. And so anyway, I was making this at my local scrapbook store, and they admired it so much they asked if I would teach this as a class. So I said, of course. And because this one is a gift, I made another sample for the store. And so I did record that before I send it over there, and so I will pop that in here somewhere as soon as I can. And I just was so excited to finally dig into some of my brightly colored beads. Loving the patterns on this collection, just loving everything about it. You can see how cute these boxes look from the front. So very cute. And I've used some of the ephemera pieces here to make my closures. And one of the neat things about this project is I was able to get 2 mini bookcases out of one 6x6 paper pad and one ephemera pack. So that's pretty cool. I've used one of the ephemera pieces here as a strap. And so I think these just turned out super, super cute. And then on the bookcase here, I have 4 pieces of ephemera. And then these banner pieces in the background are just cut from scraps. And then I've added these cute little letter beads. So I think this just came out super, super cute. And so I'm going to go ahead and pop in that other video so that you can see the other one that I made. Anyway, I think it came out really cute as well, and so I'll take all the boxes out. And this one's all about the blue. And I've got this piece of ephemera here, and this is backed on that heavy-duty cardstock with some decorative paper on the back. And then the ephemera pieces are also backed with the cardstock. I've got one of those banners cut out from the leftover paper and a piece of blue rickrack and a little bow here. And then the little poked a hole, I forgot what I was going to say, poked a little hole here for the little bead dangle. And anyway, I think it just turned out super cute. So on this one, I put a hole on the bottom as well, and then I strung this along with some beads, and then yeah, very cute. And then another of the pom-pom beads, and I love this. This paper has all the gnomes next to their favorite crafty item or whatever. So this one, little girl is standing by your tote, and I can't see what that one is. They've got a little tag there. Oh, this guy's got his knitting basket. He's the knitting gnome. That sounds like a shop the name of a shop, the Knitting Gnome. That would be a cute yarn shop or something, wouldn't it? The Knitting Gnome. I like that. And then just decorate it on the inside. I love how this box turned out. I love that black floral with that color inside. I think it came out really super cute. And this one has a little bead dangle on the side, and on the side. Oh my gosh, I can't talk right now. And then I just strung the yellow twine through and tied it at the top, and to keep the beads straight, I put a piece of wire in there and got a piece of ephemera here. This one I just kept it in the square shape, and there's another one hiding underneath, and more of our little crafting friends. This one's got the camera gnome. So cute. I don't know if you really, sometimes I don't really sit and take time to look at all the little things, but then when I do, it's like, oh my gosh, so much detail and so much thought put into all the little images, and so cute. So not only did I make 2 mini bookcases, but I made 3. And I made this one for my YouTube tutorial for those who purchased the kits from the store. And I've been doing that lately because I know that some people would prefer to do it at home rather than attend a class at the store. And then also it's beneficial for me because I don't have to write written instructions to go along with the kits. And I don't have to print out colored pictures and whatnot. And I think it's just easier to direct them to see the pictures and the tutorial online. So so that's what I've been doing lately on my classes. And but I wanted to bring that up because as of October 5th, 2021, there were still a couple of kits available at the store. So I will put the name of the store and the phone number in the description box below in case you're interested in purchasing a kit. I know that Cindy will ship to anyone that's in the continental United States. So I don't know how much the shipping would be. I just know that the price keeps going up. But anyway, yeah, so I just wanted to mention that in case you wanted to make one of these particular bookcases on your own. So so anyway, that's why it's decorated very similar to the first one. This was the one that was advertised for the class, and so I wanted to keep it very similar in design. You'll notice that this one is not on a Memorydex card. Many of the ladies said that they don't use the Memorydex cards, and so I was like, no problem, you just don't have to put that on. But you have your choice. When you purchase the kit, it will come with the Memorydex cards anyway, so you can choose whether or not to use that. The only thing that the kit does not include that you see here are the feet on the bottom of this bookcase, and that's because I just couldn't find them in time. They just have been, there's been trouble keeping them in supply at the stores, and or at least there was at the time when I was looking for them. I couldn't find them online. I couldn't get the ones at Hobby Lobby on time online because they just weren't going to get there in time. And then after the class, I went to the store and there was one little package left. So I purchased those and painted them black for my own little bookcase, but I was not able to include those in the kit. So and I'll talk about what's included in the kit in just a minute. So yeah, so it's decorated very, very similar to this one. And then also I have used one ephemera pack to decorate all 3 of the bookcases that I've showed you so far, with the exception of this gnome here. So a little went a long way on that ephemera kit, and in fact I still have quite a bit left over, and so that's really fun. And when you purchase the kit, you do get one full pack of ephemera. So you can do a lot with your extra pieces. And then so I just wanted to show you a little bit what I did on this one. So I've got different colored banners on this one because well, I just used scrap pieces, so that's a couple colors that were left over. And then this heart here, I just traced from the heart that was in the ephemera pack and just cut that out on this green paper here. And then I did not have enough letter beads after I set aside the ones for the kit to do my own, so I had to pull from my own stash of different colored beads on here. And then yeah, so other than that, it's pretty much the same. I have the yellow rickrack, and the bead dangles are very, very similar, maybe just a different variation of beads with the kits, just depending on what I had. But every kit includes the little strand of heart dangles and the pom-pom bead and the little rainbow beads. And yes, the bead dangles are pre-made for you. So they're all packaged up nice and neat in the little packaging that I did, and separated by box so that you don't get anything mixed up. And so all that is done for you. And then I also wanted to mention that there are two different kits available. One is called the pink kit, and they called it that because it had the pink on the bottom. And the one I showed you earlier with the other gnome on the front, that is called the blue kit because it had blue on the bottom. So, and the only really difference between the kits are the bead dangles. You know, I designed this one kind of to fit how I decorated the ephemera here on the front, and the other has the beads arranged so that you could decorate like I did the other one. However, you could, you know, it really doesn't matter. Whichever kit you get, you can change it up and decorate it more like this if you want to. And I think I do give suggestions for that in my tutorial, I hope. But anyway, so there are, you know, those two kits available, but basically it's for the same project. The only difference is the beads, really. You do get the eyelets, and I teach you in the tutorial how to set those. And really all you have to do is have a means to open up that jump ring on the top of the dangle and insert it through that hole where your eyelet is. And so everything's ready to go. All the papers are pre-cut. To make your box and your bookcases, all you have to do is score, fold, and glue. All your design papers are cut, so all of these 100 plus pieces of paper are cut for you and ready to insert into your project. And then also my tutorial is a bit different from Jenn's in a couple ways. The first is that I have made my boxes just a little bit bigger in depth, and so I have different measurements for that. And then also mine goes into a bit more detail because mine is geared for those who have actually purchased the kit, because like I said, you're getting one full ephemera pack with your kit, and I don't know how you're going to decorate, so I give you suggestions on how to decorate. I give you suggestions on how to use the ephemera to make your different closures on your boxes. So for example, this one is one of the banner pieces, and so I teach you how you can use that to make this little strap here. You can use, if you don't want to do that, you can put this one on the top here. So you can do what you want with the ephemera. I teach you how to make this little front piece here for the closure. And so yeah, I teach you how to maybe add the little different strips on the inside there like that. And so the tutorial is geared for those, like I said, who have actually purchased this particular kit with this design paper. So that would be the difference in my tutorial from the tutorial that you can just go and watch from Jenn. So I think I've included everything that's included in the kit. Well, almost. There's one more thing. And, oh, actually two more things. So I hope I haven't mentioned this yet. If I have, I apologize. So I do add on the tutorial how to make this little gift card holder. I think this is the absolute perfect gift idea for my crafty friends. So like I said, I'm giving this one away. And so not only can I fill the little boxes with whatever little trinkets I choose, beads, pins, sequins, whatnot, but then I can also I can add this gift card holder onto the back and put a gift card from like Hobby Lobby or Michael's or something inside there. So anyway, so I think this is just such a fun gift giving idea. And yes, I know this one's messed up here on the front. I had an accident, so I have to fix that. So so anyway, that is my little mini bookcases, and so I hope you like them as much as I do. I think these are so incredibly cute. I'm in love with this paper collection, so I just wanted to give a shout out again to Photoplay for outstanding paper collection. And oh yeah, there was one more thing I forgot. Okay, one more thing. So you're probably wondering, what are you going to do with all this ephemera that you have left over? Well, not only will you have ephemera in your kit, but you will have one of each design in the 6x6 paper pad in your kit. So you'll have one of each design, full sheets of the 6x6 papers included in your kit, including the 3 cut apart cards. Plus, I was able to cut the kits in such a way that you're going to get one extra cut apart card. It might be one or the other, but you're going to get one extra. So there were 3 included in the paper pad, and so you're going to get one of those 3 extra. So you're going to get 13 pieces of 6x6 papers included in your kit. You can make another mini bookcase. You can make a little tag flip. You can make many cards. So I think this kit is an incredible value for your money, and so I do have to promote that because I'm really pleased with myself on how I was able to give you so much back after making or cutting the kits. So I'm really happy about that. And so anyway, so yeah, I hope you guys are able to get one of those if you want. I don't know how long they'll last, so you might want to jump on that. And then also, you guys, I hope that you will give me a like. That's really appreciated and helpful to me. And then also, I'd love to have you join me for my upcoming videos, so make sure you hit that notification bell below on your right. So thanks again for watching, and I'll catch you guys next time.